Here we will write a Python program to print addition of two numbers using single inheritance. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. So first we will define class 1, and here we will define constructor with two parameters. So init self a comma b, and then we will assign these constructor variables. So self dot a equal to a and self dot b equal to b. Then we will define second class 2, which inherits 1, and here we will define method addition, and here we will calculate addition of a and b. So z equal to self dot a plus self dot b. Since we have inherited the class 1, we can access the variables values in class 2, and then we will print the value of z. Here we will print the value of z along with a and b, so we will use format. So f addition of self dot a plus self dot b equal to z. Then first we will accept two numbers from the user. So x equal to int input first number, and in y we will accept second number. Then we will create object of our class 2, and we will pass x and y as a constructor parameter, and we will call the method addition from that class. Then we will save it and we will execute it. It will ask to enter the number. I will enter 5 and 4. It will print addition of 5 plus 4 is 9.